Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning my master bathroom. I will be sharing a few tips and tricks along the way, so if you're interested, keep watching. I'm just starting off by clearing off the counter space and putting away the items that I used that morning. And as mentioned in my other bathroom cleaning video, I do keep all cleaning products underneath each bathroom sink, which makes it so much more convenient when cleaning. To clean the counters, I'm using this Method all-purpose cleaner. And then to spray out the sinks, I'm using this bathroom Comet cleaner. For the mirrors, I just use a squirt bottle filled with clean water and use a Norwex rag, which is a microfiber cloth. Each of our bathrooms have a squirt bottle with water because that's how all the boys in the house do their hair in the mornings. In my previous bathroom cleaning video, I also shared with you how I use those foam hand soap dispensers and reuse them by filling them with water and dish soap. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me.
And here I'm just using the same Method all-purpose cleaner to spray down the cabinets.
Stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over.
Moving on to the tub area, I'm just dry dusting the blinds. clean out the tub, I'm just going to use this Mr. Clean concentrate, and I dilute it with some water in that little squeegee brush. I use this also in the shower. I get these little brushes at the dollar store, and what's nice is you can fill them with anything. A lot of times for the shower I use Dawn dish soap and vinegar, but I just so happen to have Mr. Clean already in there, so that's what I'm using today.
I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me.
Moving on to the floors, I'm just shaking out the rugs, and I'm going to give the floor a good vacuum before I mop it.
I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me.
I'm just gonna wet the mop a little bit, and then the product I'm using today is Mop and Glow.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story, these places change me, each one replacing.
I did not clean the shower on this day. I tend to clean it while I'm in the shower, just to make it easier. And if you'll notice, I do have a shower curtain hanging up behind the glass. I have that up there for a couple reasons. One is privacy, because I do have 3 boys, and also just to protect the glass so it doesn't get so calcified from the hard water stains and I don't have to clean it as often. So just more convenient.
Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that where the heart is.
And here is the completed bathroom.
Home where the heart is.
If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye guys.
And I'll keep on growing. I miss the old